Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable display word count while typing. If you want to view word count while you typing in Google Docs, then here are the process. Launch Google Docs first, and here go to your project, your documents, and here if you want to view word count or display word count while typing, then simple, from the top menu bar go to tools, and here you will find word count. Click on it. Here you will find characters including spaces. Display word count while typing, you may check against this option to enable display word count while typing. Make the check against this option and click on OK. Now when you type, your word count will visible on a screen. You can see 10 words, 11 words and so more. So you can easily enable word count while typing feature on your Google Docs space.